Want to be part of India growth story but confused? Should we do it through FDI or FPI? Let's decode this today. What is FDI and what is FPI? Control is equal to FDI and returns is equal to FPI. Let's understand FDI, which is foreign direct investment. If you are an MNC company or you are an individual who wants to have a stake in an Indian company, as an MNC company, you want to create a joint venture or a wholly owned subsidiary, you take the route of foreign direct investment. Here, you can go ahead with two different categories. One is the category of non debt instruments, which is equity, fully compulsorily convertible preference shares, or fully compulsorily convertible debentures. The second category that you can go ahead is through debt. Here, you have to adhere to the NDI policy and FEMA regulations. But please understand that anything you do under FDI is for a longer horizon. And there are certain rules, procedures, and documentations that you have to follow. The rules are of sectoral cap, the regulations are FDI and FEMA regulations. The another thing that you have to adhere to is the filing procedure, that is the operational filing of FCGPR or FCTRS, as the case may be, share certificate submission, reporting under FLA every year. So, these are all the procedures that you have to adhere to. If we talk about FPI, which is your foreign portfolio investments, you have to be registered with SEBI and then you can invest into Indian stock markets, maybe in equity or bonds. Here, only and only you have to follow SEBI and FEMA regulations. But there will be no reportings, no pricing guidelines because it is all through a regulated agencies like SEBI. So hope this clarifies the basic difference between FDI and FPI. Thank you.